A Charlotte and Mecklenburg police officer charged with killing an unarmed man. His attorneys want his case thrown out. New at 11, Channel 9 is asking how claims about drug use and destroyed evidence could impact his trial. Only Channel 9 got a hold of the motion where Officer Randall Kerrick's defense team says the man he shot and killed was on drugs. I'm Blair Miller.
And I'm Natalie Pascarella. Eyewitness News reporter Trish Williford questioned Officer Kerrick as he left the Mecklenburg County Courthouse here back in December. New at 11 tonight, she's live in Uptown Charlotte and went line by line through this new motion, Trish.
Well, this is that motion filed today by Kerrick's attorneys. It goes into great detail about Farrell's alleged behavior the night he was killed. This is the 7-page motion obtained by Channel 9. In it, defense attorneys lay out in detail why they believe the court should dismiss voluntary manslaughter charges against Officer Randall Kerrick. According to the motion filed today in Mecklenburg County Court, Kerrick's attorneys say they learned of statements made by witnesses that indicate Jonathan Farrell had ingested illegal drugs, possibly marijuana and other substances, the night of the shooting. The motion says the other two officers on the scene the night of the shooting indicated that Farrell's behavior was uncooperative, aggressive, and erratic. It goes on to say that officer described Farrell as being in a zombie state and that he believed Farrell was amped up on something. According to defense attorneys, that aggressive behavior put Officer Kerrick in fear for his life. And attorneys say they've learned from case files that Farrell smoked a substance at a friend's house before Farrell left that night. In the defense motions, attorneys say CMPD officials went to the friend's house and collected that substance, but there wasn't enough of it left to test. A state autopsy showed there was no alcohol or drugs in Farrell's system, but the state examiner noted they did not test specifically for THC or marijuana, LSD, or other hallucinogens. Kerrick's attorneys also say Farrell's blood was sent to a lab, but police did not preserve it, and it was later destroyed. Now, attorneys believe additional testing is needed on that blood before this case can proceed. A hearing on that motion is set for Friday. Reporting live from the Mecklenburg County Courthouse, Trish Williford, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.
All right, Trish, thank you for that new information. The trial for Officer Kerrick is supposed to start in just a couple of months on July 20th. Jonathan Farrell was shot 10 times on September 14th of 2013 in East Mecklenburg County. Officers were first sent to the neighborhood when a young mother said that a man was banging on her door at 2:30 a.m. Police later found that Farrell had crashed his car nearby.